Hey everyone! In a previous video, we talked about the BLEU score, which averages the precision scores between the generated and the reference texts, and then multiplies the result with a briefty penalty score, which penalizes the model if it predicts less words than there are in the reference texts. However, the BLEU score doesn't consider the recall at all, which may be of great interest in tasks like summarization, where we want to evaluate our model's ability to capture the overall meaning and the context of the reference text. This is where the recall-oriented understudy for gisting evaluation, or ROUGE in short, comes into play. More specifically, it calculates the number of overlapping n-grams between the predicted and reference texts, then the precision and recall, and finally, the ROUGE score or the F1 score as the harmonic mean between precision and recall. Now, let's explore how the ROUGE score works in more detail. When computing the ROUGE score, we choose to focus on different n-grams, such as unigrams, bigrams, trigrams, and so on. For instance, if we are using rouge-l, which focuses on unigrams, we would count the number of overlapping individual words between the candidate and reference texts. In the following example, where we have as candidate the sentence "Today is sunny" and as the reference sentence "Today the weather is sunny", we would have 3 overlapping words out of a total of 5 words in the reference text, giving us a precision of 1, a recall of 0.6, and thus a ROUGE-l score of 0.75. On the other hand, if we want to calculate ROUGE-2, which focuses on bigrams, we would get only a matching bigram, and thus a precision of 0.5 and a recall of 0.25, resulting in a ROUGE-2 score of approximately 0.33. In addition, apart from using n-grams, the ROUGE score can also be computed using the longest common substring between the reference and the candidate texts, entitled rouge-l, and which could give us a better understanding of how close the text generated by the model was to the reference text. Finally, I would like to talk about which score we should use when evaluating machine-generated text. Well, it ultimately depends on our specific goals and requirements. If you want to focus on precision and rewards models for generating text that is similar to the reference text in terms of individual words or short phrases, then the BLEU score might be a good choice. For instance, the BLEU score is commonly used to evaluate machine translation systems because it's essential to preserve the original meaning and wording of the source text. On the other hand, if you want to evaluate our model's ability to capture the overall meaning and context of the reference text, then the ROUGE score might be a better fit. For instance, the ROUGE score can be particularly useful when we are dealing with tasks like summarization, where the goal is to generate a concise summary that captures the main points of the original text. And that's basically it, folks. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you found this explanation helpful. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the content I create on this channel. See you next time. Bye bye.